David Sinclair tweeted about a SIRT1 activator which is 800 to 1000 times more effective than resveratrol. The molecule is called SRT-1720 and was used in the study that he referenced. Here is the paper which looks at the study of how SIRT1 activation helps with skin aging. Let's have a look at the details of the paper first and then look at the molecule itself. The authors were looking at skin aging related to the senescence of human dermal fibroblasts. HDFs are the cells that generate the intracellular matrix for the skin. The aim was to understand the molecular mechanisms of autophagy, inflammation and cellular senescence in HDFs. On HDFs, what they found was that SRT-1720 inhibited the production of inflammatory cytokines and cellular senescence by down-regulating NF-kappa B and enhancing autophagy-associated proteins and SIRT1 in senescent HDFs. Similar results were also shown in vivo for mice. And as they sum up, SRT-1720 acts as an anti-aging agent and inhibits the induction of inflammatory cytokines and senescence by regulating the SIRT1 acetyl NF-kappa B signaling pathway and activating autophagy in senescent HDFs. Here is the molecular structure of SRT-1720. It is an analog of resveratrol and one of the SIRT1 activating compounds. It was originally developed by Certis Pharmaceuticals, a company that Dr. David Sinclair co-founded. Let's go briefly through some of the studies on SRT-1720. According to this paper, Sirtuins in Aging and Age-Related Diseases, published in 2011, of which one of the authors is Dr. Sinclair, sirtuins are involved in critical biological pathways and show some of the benefits of calorie restriction, indicating that they could be used to treat the diseases of aging. There are a variety of small molecule modulators of sirtuins, both natural and synthetic. These include the natural molecules resveratrol, fisetin and quercetin, and the synthetics SRT-1720, SRT-2104 and SRT-1460. The next paper was published in 2014. SIRT1 an anti-inflammaging in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. You can see from the chart that within the anti-inflammaging molecules, the benefits of SIRT1 activators. Other than being anti-inflammatory and anti-aging, SIRT1 activators also had the effect of anti-senescence and enhanced metabolism. The paper also mentioned that SIRT-1720 is reported as a potent SIRT1 activator with 800 to 1000-fold improvement of efficacy over resveratrol. This study, entitled NAD+ Dependent Deacetylases and Medical Therapy, published in 2016, mentioned that SRT-1720 was the most effective SIRT1 activating compound and stimulated 750% SIRT1 activity at only 10 micromoles. Our last paper is this one from 2018 on healthy aging and epigenetic drugs for diabetes and obesity, which provides a summary of the outcomes for the studies of SRT-1720. Studies in mice show that SRT-1720 extends the lifespan and can also be used to treat insulin and resistance and diabetes. Animals on a high-fat diet or on a standard diet, when supplemented with 100 mg per kilogram of SRT-1720, saw significant improvements in mean lifespan on both the diets. A decrease in cataract formation, blood glucose and insulin levels, and in cholesterol and low-density lipoproteins, which are all hallmarks of aging, were seen in SRT-1720 treated standard diet fed mice, indicating that the molecule increases lifespan and improves the risk factors for age-related metabolic syndrome. Although SRT-1720 is not available as a drug, it and a similar compound, SRT-2104, do seem to be getting more attention now and do seem to show promise as more effective SIRT1 activators. Hope that you found the video informative. Please do hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for any new video release notifications. Thank you so much for your kind support. I wish you all well and will speak to you again soon.